Hi there, I'm Melissa Galbraith, the fiber artist behind MCreativeJ, and today I'm going to show you how to do the Holbein stitch, or also known as the double running stitch. For this one, we are going to use the running stitch, which is a dashed line, so it's short little stitches with dashes in between them. So we start by bringing our needle up at the start of our line, and we make a short stitch forward, about 1/4 of an inch, and then we leave a space about 1/4 of an inch, come back up, and then we repeat. So we go forward about 1/4 of an inch and leave a space about 1/4 of an inch, and keep going along our line here. Now that I'm at the end of my line, I'm going to go backwards and fill in all of these spaces with the running stitch again. So I'll bring my needle up right in the hole of that running stitch right here, and I'll go down in the hole of that running stitch there, filling in the gap. I'll work over to the next space, going up in that hole, and then going down in the hole of the next running stitch. And I'll work back to the beginning of my line. And that is the Holbein stitch, or the double running stitch. Enjoy!